Okay, so we're back for another one. We got CJ wearing Sean's coveralls. We'll just kind of... Okay.
Thank you, Sean.
It's his way of saying hello. Anyway, we got our 4L80E. We want to stick inside our truck. So in the past, we've lifted the truck, slid it underneath, brought it up. Well, today we're going to try something new because CJ would like to try it. So we're going to try it. We're going to hoist this guy up and try and set her in and set her back. And then strap her up, and then we'll mate her to the engine, in theory.
The theory's good.
All right.
We call it Orange Theory.
Orange Theory. Anyway, so yeah, we'll maybe I'll throw you guys on time lapse and throw you on a Okay, so we got our new LS oil pan on here. What is this? I think they call it a 302-1 or 302-2. At any rate, it's quite a bit shorter than the factory one. The factory one, from what I understand, hangs below the cross member. So if you have a lower truck, which ours isn't yet, but it will be, and you hit something, this isn't stamped steel, it's not going to bend, it's cast aluminum, it's just going to break. At any rate, so we got that done. We'll change out this flex plate, flip this thing over, and we'll go ahead and put it in. CJ, your phone's going off there. These are our cheap Amazon LS adapters. I think they were like 30 bucks.
Good afternoon.
This is just a regular old motor mount for a 66 Chevy half ton, and these are our inline 6 pedestals. So what I've done, like I installed that 400 in here once already, not this LS but a 400, and these are a bugger. So what I did is I just loosened everything off to give me a little bit of wiggle room. So instead of fighting that thing, I had a little bit of wiggle room so I can get her in. Transmission sitting on my transmission jack. We had slid it in there, sat it on the jack. It's good to go. I think we're ready to flip that thing over, swap out the flex plate, and get going on this. Okay, maybe I'll just take this off of there before.
Probably a good idea.
So we got our engine all mounted up there. We have our new flex plate on with our spacer in there, lots of room, and we're ready to go. We have no oil in this thing. It's your job to remember that. Okay. And I think we're going to try and slap her in. So I'll put you guys right about here. Oh, I should probably change your battery. Yeah, hold on. I'll change your diaper and then we'll get it back at her here. I'm doing the motor mounts now. So let me just pop in here, CJ, real quick. So we got our Amazon specials there on there. They're just plated on, and we got our Rock Auto special here. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount this on the back, and then locate it here, and then run our bolt in. I've taken an extra step and I've loosened this off, so it gives me just a little bit of wiggle room. Not a lot, but a little bit. And I'll go back and tighten these up afterwards. All right.
Yeah. God damn it.
So you see there's 2 bolt holes in the front of that. So there's 4 bolt holes sorry. There's 4 bolt hole locations. So we're on the 3rd one. So 1 from the back. I'm hoping this works out for us. I'm thinking it will. We'll see. It gives us enough room for our oil pan. It'll clear our cross member just fine. So.
Did you do this side already or no?
No. Got her in. We got all our bolts around the back there. These went in without too much trouble. CJ actually came up with a good idea, and he put his phone underneath there, put it on selfie mode where he usually keeps it, and then we were able to maneuver it and line it up, and it went pretty good. This side, same thing. We got them lined up back there. We got that bolt through. These are the perches that were on the inline 6 from the factory. That's just a small block Chevy rubber motor mount from 1966 for a Chevy C10. And this is some $30 Amazon, eBay, El Cheapo LS mounts. So, I don't know, the whole thing was under 50 bucks for sure. Canadian, so under 25 bucks American. She's in. I ended up going 1 bolt from the rear, so I went one forward. I got lots of clearance here. I feel I do, you know. It's not over till the fat lady sings. We are close back here, but that's just bracket. I don't think we're too close. I think it's fine. And then looking up here, I think we'll be fine for the rad. We'll find out. I don't need this, so I have an electric fan anyway. But anyway, that's where we're at. This is probably where I'm gonna be at until I come home next shift. I fly back to work tomorrow. I have other priorities that I need to do, but it's in. It fits. I have this transmission mount that needs to be figured out. It's got to be put on the back, blah blah blah. That's not a big deal, but overall pretty happy with it. Wiring harness is on order. It'll be here Thursday. Again, I go back to work on Tuesday, so I won't have it. And I think that's about it for now. What do you think, CJ?
That's it for now, but it looks good.
He's got his NDP orange on, or prisoner orange.
I call it, you know, Dutch Royal Family Orange.
Dutch Royal Family Orange. Okay, I think that's going to do it for this one. LS 5.3 is installed. 4L80E is installed. Transmission mount still to be installed. I'll do another video on that if you're interested. And then I got the little stuff. I got the radiator, got the wiring harness. I got to flash the ECM. Actually, I had a local guy offer to help me out on that. Really appreciate that. That's cool. Says he'll do it for beers. Well, I can buy the beers. And then yeah, we'll get into the rest of it when we get back. That's gonna do it for this one. If you haven't joined us yet, think about subscribing. Really appreciate it if you would. All right, say bye to the people, CJ.
Bye, people.